guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be playing another game. I'm on Slime Solution. My little buddy's with me over here. He's got a bottle in his mouth, and his name's Charlie. So basically, make sure to subscribe, and let's make some slime. Ooh, 1,000, let's claim. Oh, close. Ooh, we're having... Okay guys, I think I'm gonna go on to make a slime. And then I'm gonna make some crispy jelly. Ooh, some clear glue. Instant snow. I don't have to need instant water. I've got some glitter, okay. And activator. Mix everything together. Free blue. Okay, let's have a look. Let's see. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Fruit. No, I don't want some fruit. Sorry about that, guys. Excuse me. Mushrooms. Let's do some pink mushrooms. Okay, looks like 2 different pinks. Medium pink, hot pink. Trade in some more. More mushrooms. These mushrooms are so cool. Wow, this is gonna be a mushroom slime. Done. Okay guys, I think that's pretty good. Let's play. Okay guys, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications, all the bell notifications. And 5,